Hi everyone, I am Satyapriya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Physics. Now we are going to discuss about the topic Einstein theory of spontaneous Einstein theory of spontaneous stimulated emission and stimulated emission are also called coefficient of A and B. In this case, we calculate the coefficient value A and B. In this case, n is equal to the formula is n is equal to n naught into e power minus e divided by kBT. First of all, n naught is nothing but the number of atoms are present in the state of energy level E1, and then E is denoted by the energy level like E1, E2, E3, etc. And kBT is nothing but Boltzmann constant. For example, N1 and N2 be the number of atoms per unit volume in the energy state of E1 and E2 energy level. For example, the lower energy level is E1, and then excited energy level is higher energy level is E2, and then N1, N2 be the N1 and N2 be the number of atoms per unit volume in the energy state of E1 and then E2 energy level. So the above equation is rearranged by N1. For example, N1 is equal to N0 into e power of minus E1 divided by kBT, that is N1. In this case, N is equal to N0. So N2 is equal to N0 into e power of minus E2 divided by kBT. So above equation is rearranged by the value of N1 divided by N2, that is equal to N1 divided by N2 is equal to, what is the equation? N0 into e power of minus E1 divided by kBT, the whole divided by N0 into e power of minus E2 divided by kBT. kBT is nothing but the Boltzmann constant, and then E2 is nothing but higher energy level, and then E1 is nothing but lower energy level. In this case, N0 get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? N1 divided by N2 is equal to e power of minus E1 divided by kBT whole divided by e power of minus E2 divided by kBT. And then finally, this term will be rearranged by e power of minus E1, e power of minus E2 minus E1 divided by kBT. So this is the N1 divided by N2 value. In this case, the value of E2 minus E1 value, in this case, going to excited state, it will be, for example, comes to down stage level, this is the E1, E2 minus E1 is equal to, what is the value? H mu. So in this equation, E2 minus E1 value is rearranged by H mu. So N2 divided by N1 divided by N2, the whole divided by equal to e power of H mu divided by kBT. So this is the value of N1 divided by N2 value. So in this case, Einstein takes three main principles. First one is stimulated absorption, and then spontaneous emission, and then stimulated absorption. We calculating the equation for the Einstein equation. Okay, first one is stimulated absorption. Stimulated absorption. Stimulated absorption is nothing but externally the one force is applied, that is catching amount, that is called as optical pumping method. It will be absorbed energy, it goes to an excited state. This process is called stimulated absorption. Okay, thank you. Next class we discussed about the spontaneous emission and then stimulated emission.